Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today we're going to go over what listing collections are and how you can use them. If you go into your menu, under search, you can see you have listing collections here. And if you click on this little star next to it, it'll bring it up into your favorites bar. If you've been working with a client and you've had a saved search and he's been looking through these properties and now he's ready to go and see some of these properties, so I'm going to open up a saved search I had for my client. I'm going to select the properties that my client wants to see, but in order for me to save these as a listing collection to use while I'm out in the field and access from my Flex MLS Pro mobile app, I need to select the properties, but then the key here is to select this button. Next to my results, it says selected. I need to click on that selected button. That's key to saving a listing collection. Then I go up into my save button up here on the right, and then I can save selected as. I'm going to name it my client's name. And then I click save. Now, when I'm out in the field, I can go into my Flex MLS mobile application. And when I click on this folder icon, it brings up my listing collection. All I need to do is click on the name of the collection and it brings up the properties that I'm showing. So if there were any updates to a status or a price while I'm out in the field, that'll show up in my listing collection. I want you to notice one thing. While I'm in Barry's tour, you can see there is no edit search button here. I cannot edit this listing collection, although I can add to this collection. So what I'm going to do is open another saved search and I will select these properties. Don't forget the key here is to click on this selected button. I'm going to go to save and save selected as. And now when I go in to name this, a list of my collections comes up here. I'm going to select Barry's Tour, and as you notice, I can add to the collection. So I'm going to save this, and let's go back into our listing collections and open up Barry's Tour. Now I've added to Barry's Tour. I have some Indian Wells condos and some Rancho Mirage condos. You can also remove properties within this listing collection, so select the property and click on remove. I hope this helps you get an idea of how you can use listing collections. If you have any questions, please call the California Desert Association of Realtors.